Right. So, FOMO got the better of us. We weren't going to come to Ultrace, but it was so good last year, we thought, why not? So last night, we jumped on a ferry at 6 o'clock, we drove for 18, 19 hours, and now we're here. We've got the 15, do some big skids, and the 92 for some good tandems. Ultrace is always a sick event, so why not? As you can see, we put a bit of a livery on the 15 for players, and we've actually added a bit to it now. So at this event, we are representing Starnagos, good friend of ours, love the products, love the branding. So as you can see, that is all over the 15. And we brought the 92 along because the Venturi intake sounds unreal. And when you're standing up there on that hill, watching it, the noise from the intake is going to be unreal. So we've got the 92 with us representing Venturi, the masters of intake manifold noises, and yeah, should be a sick weekend. So we've gone for some warm-up laps and one of us has broken the track. So now they're having to try and fix the track before we can go back out. But it's good, car feels sweet, just buzzing to drive. I think I'm going to jump in the M3 in a minute and take that for a first little run. Sick. Ready for a rip?
Yep.
Time to take the M3 out for its first lap. I forgot to put fuel in it though. So after a couple of runs, I'll probably have to send Caleb to go and fill it up. That Ferrari's sick. Yeah, leave a gap, it's my first lap. Not bad for a first lap. First lap, 2 laps done in the E92, and it is so good. The gearing here is spot on. We're just second gear all the time. So I did a lead with our friend Vicken, and then we chased him afterwards, and it's spot on. Plus, we're sitting here. Those noises are bad. And we're sitting here in aircon. Couldn't be much better. So we're going to spin some more laps, and then we might take the 15 back out. I might have rubbed the wall a little bit. We came round the back, I had a lot of speed, and I was like, uh-oh. Just stamped on the throttle and just went boom as we went round. That's alright. The joys of plastic bumpers. Like a fiberglass bumper, the whole back end would be exploded. Now she's mint. We took 92 out and burned through the rest of those 265s. But it's just eating the inner edge because of camber. So CNC 71, they're only 40 minutes from here, but they brought me up some adjustable camber arms, so I'm banging them in. Pause for SR noises. And then we'll bang those in, get the camber dialed out a bit so we can get it close to slight degree. Re-tow the back, and we're good to go. And then we should eat left. Pause for the worst noise ever, M52. Sorry guys. Yeah, then we should have less camber, we can dial in more grip, and and use less of the inner edge of tyre, therefore get more tyre wear. So yeah, should be good. Thanks CNC 71. Hopefully it hasn't done anything. I don't think it has.
You've already just hit the soft bit. Oh.
Let's just check.
Woo! Smashing!
I can literally just see your face so it's getting closer and closer.
I was like, come on! Shit! Shit! It's getting closer! Oh my god!
Right, sun's setting. Let's go out for the last rips of the day. So, sun's setting, it is almost the end of day one at Ultrace, and it has been sick. The E92, absolutely brilliant, sounds unreal to drive, aircon, everything's chilling. 15 is an absolute riot to drive as always. Gets hot as always because we're not moving anywhere, but it has been an unreal day, and we're going out now for some last laps in the sun. Yeah, then all for day two then. was fun chasing George. Annoying that thingy span, but...
When you span, you all just stopped like perfectly.
Yeah, I know, look.
Ah. Oh, mate.
I stopped in him.
Yeah.
And then the guy next to me stopped literally on me. I was like, this ain't too bad. Could have been way worse. The run with George was sick.
Yeah. That's good. I've got that vibe as well.
Yeah, the run with George was sick. Power steering fluid was cooked. So we're just putting some fresh stuff in. Well, we've done it already. Because just from all the driving, the heat, if you feel this engine bay, it's probably 100 degrees in this engine bay right now.
Probably hotter. It's about 1 million, I reckon.
Maybe too hot.
Definitely too hot.
So yeah, we just flushed out what fluid we could. And now we're putting it back together and should be good to go. Well, little mishap with Sultan's car. We didn't die. Got the fire put out, washed all the CO2 off, all the powder off. Now let's take 15 for a rip. Lito and I just had the sickest runs in the 92. We got it really hot, like to the point where all warning lights were on the dash and had to put about 30 litres of water over it to get it to cool down. Well, that was unreal. That was unreal. Some good runs at the end, some tandems with LZ and the other boys. Yeah, absolutely unreal. 15 is all good. This is good. I just need power steering cooler. So yeah, fucking sick. Yeah, little run in the 15. Doesn't like left foot braking, it's really annoying. You left foot braking, just cuts power, it goes boo. Oh, it's good fun. Good shit. This event is unreal. Like a drift event where at the end of the day you can just all go and do fucking burnouts in the middle, it's wild. Till's trying to do donuts in the golf cart.